Good morning friends. In the previous video we have learned what is meant by angle. So angle is a combination of two rays, okay, and having a common point. Now in this chapter we're going to be in this videos we're going to be learn what is how many different types of angle we can see. Okay, so first of all you can see these pictures. Okay, so here you can see a different types of picture. One is a two ray is meeting at 90 degree. 90 degree means a perpendicular line. If the two lines will meet at 90 degree, so this will be a 90 degree angle. Usually this is the 90 degree angle, and this angle is called as right angle. Right angle. Why right angle? Right angle. Right angle, an angle whose measurement is 90 degree. That means it is a 90 degree whose measurement is 90 degree. That angle is called as 90 degree angle. An angle, definition of right angle you can write: an angle whose measurement is 90 degree is called right angle. Clear? Now if we will talk about this angle, you can see that this angle as compared to 90 degree angle is smaller, because if we will talk about 90 degree means a standard form, but this angle is smaller than 90 degree. That means that which is the angle is in measurement, if it is smaller than 90 degree, that angle is called acute angle. So acute angle is that angle whose measurement is less than 90 degree. Okay, now if we will talk about this angle, this will be a 90 in dotted. If it is 90, now if this angle, if you see, it is more than 90 degree. So if the angle is measurement is more than 90 degree, that angle is called as obtuse angle. Okay, so angle which is at 90 degree, this is called as right angle. Angle which is less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Angle which is more than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. Okay, so these are the different three types of angle in 5th standard. Okay, so now we will talk about what is mean by this point, what we'll call this point, and what we'll call this rays. Okay, so how we can read that angle, we're going to be learn this. Okay, so now if we'll talk about how we can read any angle, suppose this is your angle. This is your angle, and here it is your point, and we have given the ray A, B and C. We have given the angle name ABC. Now how to read that angle? Always whenever you want to read that angle, how will read? A from the end point of one ray, A, B, C. Always keep the middle point in middle. So how we can write? A angle. This is the sign of an angle. So angle A, B, C. Always keep this middle alphabet as middle. A, B, C, or you can read as angle CBA. CBA. You can read, but always starting from the end point. Okay, A B C or C angle CBA. Now first of all, what we'll call this point? We'll call this point as a vertex. Okay, so here B is a vertex. If we'll talk about this angle PQR, so here Q is in middle, is in point, so we'll call this Q as vertex. Clear? So this middle point where the two ray is joining, that point is called vertex point. Clear? This is vertex. Now we'll talk about, we'll know how to read this angle. We can read angle PQR, PQR, or we can start from R also, RQP, RQP. Clear? But vertex is Q. Clear? Now in this case, if you will talk about C D R, so here it is vertex is D because it is the middle point, okay, where the two ray is joining. So vertex is D. We can read this angle as, we can name this angle CDR or angle RDC. Clear? So this way you can read the angle or you can find out the vertex. Okay, so now first of all we'll solve this exercise, which is problem set 24. Here is given as first question, we will see PQR. So name of the angle is, you can read like that, PQR. Yes, or you can read RQP. This way also you can read. Now vertex is here Q. Angle arm. Angle arm means the two ray, means here from QP. Always start from QP or QR. These are your arms of angle. With the help of these, you are making the angle. So QP or QR. Clear? Now second question will read name of the angle. How we can name? I told you, always start from LMN. Always start from the end point of the ray. So LMN or angle NML. Okay, so here, but here vertex is the middle point. Vertex is here M. Arms of an angle means MN, and ML. ML means this point. First you have to take this, then this. Clear? But always start from a vertex. When we are talking about arms of an angle, always start from vertex. Okay, so this is for homework, you have to do that.